Passport to Summer, written by Young Learners Curriculum, Level A1. Pack your bag and grab your hat. We're off to see the world just like that. With our passport stamp, we're ready to roam. Let's take a summer trip far from home. Cherry blossoms fly free in the air. Kimonos are bright and the gardens are fair. Try some yummy sushi and say konnichiwa. Wave to tall Mount Fuji from afar. Bonjour from beautiful Paris, the city of lights, where the Eiffel Tower sparkles bright at night. Delicious croissants, colorful art, and music too. A summer dream that is so sweet and true. The red dragon dances so bold and bright. Lanterns everywhere glow with a soft red light. Let's begin to walk the wall, so strong and long, and end our long trip with one last song. Good day, mate. Hop in and let's take a ride to the stunning outback wild and oceans wide. Koalas and trees napping, kangaroos freely hop. The colorful coral reefs make your heart stop. We've traveled the world and had so much fun, but now our summer trip is finally done. Let's keep our many memories bright and true until we meet on our next big journey too.